I know you sang in a mixed choir while growing up. Would you like to talk about that?
The conservative temple in Utica, Temple Beth-El, was this magnificent structure. It was, I believe, 4 stories high. The bottom was the basement, and then there was the first floor where you came in from the street, and then the second floor, and then there was another floor above that. It was a beautiful, beautiful structure. And aside from being the conservative temple, it was the community center where everybody gathered. And one day, I believe I was 12 years old at the time, possibly 11, the cantor of Beth-El came over to me. He probably knew who I was. He knew our family, but I did not know who he was. And in this big booming voice, he came over to me. He said, "Ah, you sing?" I said, "I think so, but I play the piano." And he then said, "You play the piano? You come to my choir, you sing alto." Because he felt that if I could read music, I could sing the alto part, whereas most of the sopranos just sang by ear, they didn't read music. And so I joined that choir from the time I was 11 or 12 and all the way through high school. And then after living in Rochester, when Harry and I were married, we would come to Utica for all the high holy days to be with my parents on Leslie Avenue, and the families all gathered. And Harry and I would both sing in that choir for quite a few years. It was a wonderful, wonderful experience. And I don't think people realize how magnificent that cantor was. He had come, I don't know if he had come from Vienna, Austria. He and his wife had come over after the Holocaust and made a life for themselves, and they had 2 daughters. And his name was Cantor Paul Niederland.